Welcome back to the VST channel. I have here the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and you know it came with advanced intelligence, and there are plenty of stuff that you can do, and you can watch my videos here because I really try to cover everything that at least makes sense for me. And specifically for pictures and videos, there are also plenty of things. You can resize your pictures, you can edit them, you can make things disappear, go away, magically erase them, just really get your shot to the next level, to perfection. Erase shadows and reflection from pictures is actually also kind of like a new AI thing, right? And now guys, what is important and why I'm showing this to you? Well, when you go inside the store, you're gonna see that besides the usual boring updates, group sharing, the gaming hub, and whatever not else like Samsung core services, and even something called the Samsung Highlight, which I don't think I ever did a video, but it is a funny thing that will allow you to become really creative with your lock screen and just end up with some videos that are specifically created for you. But forget about this, right? Remember, it's all about AI. And when I am saying AI, there is also this app called the Galaxy Enhance X, which is a weird app. It was first on the store, that at some point it was missing from the store, then they brought it back, and now, I mean, there is even an update, right? From the 7th of May, and today is the 8th of May, and you're supposed to do a lot of things with this app, so let me show you. Besides the new video capabilities with a stunning new design, which we're going to review right now, you have the option to repair your blurred pictures, and also remember, remove unwanted shadows with ease, get multiple outputs from a motion photo, adjusting camera angle, also using AI to somehow upscale your image to a higher resolution, right? And like all of those things are somehow more or less related to the things that you can do with AI, right? Which is actually quite interesting. So without any further ado, guys, I'm gonna hit the update button, and as I do so, I wanna just read one of the comments here. The whole reason I'm sticking with Samsung, this app is joy to use. Was going to try OnePlus offerings, but this app makes any photo I take better and more true to life with adjusting the perfect settings. So this is a comment submitted by Joel, recent one, just from last month, guys. But this is really tricky, guys, because there are not so much reviews, right? And a lot of them are actually around the 5, but there are even some that are, yeah, like this one here. When are you going to update this app? I swear Samsung developers are so lazy. They give you a native app for your phone and hardly update it. So at the end of the day, yes, Samsung now they do update this app, and the version is 2089 from the 7th of May, and the size is a whooping 170 megabytes. So here it is, guys, the, yeah, not so much love, but still updated Galaxy X Enhance. Enhance the look of your pictures and videos with AI-powered editing tools. So now we have the option to select a picture or video. So I'm gonna load some things, guys, and let's just see what we can do with this app. This is the first picture that I've chosen for you guys. We have a button called Magic. Let's just try to apply the magic. Reviewing image details, and oh, then you have a before and after, and honestly, guys, yeah, I don't think I like this. So what went wrong? This is very good. Like, you have the option to just give feedback back, which is nice, and I'm just gonna go with the edit looks kind of odd. I'm going to submit this, and thanks for your feedback. So this is nice, all right? It's like they are listening, or at least they have a mechanism to listen to you. Now, what is this clean lens? It seems pretty much like the very same update, and we have this hand here, which is really where this magic is. When I click here on the hamburger menu, guys, I can share this app. I can go and check about this app. So are there any settings? No, but I can confirm that I have the latest version indeed. So the next thing is interesting. Here we have the option to brighten the picture. So every time, by the way, it kind of reviews the details, right? So you can just go and try to apply more. And in this case, I would say this is nice. So I'm just going to send thumbs up and press done. Then we have HDR, okay? And the good thing about it is, what I like is that it does this automatically for you. Now, when it pumps the HDR, looks kind of odd, but you know what? Let me just go, and I'm just gonna pump the HDR to the maximum level, all right, for my test. Juggling between those, which is nice, and you do have also the option to colorize. So I'm gonna also load up some black and white pictures and show you something that I believe is interesting. Now let's go here to this healing thing. We have clean lens, which I do believe we already did. So now, I mean, further applying it will really make things very odd. We have the denoise option. Let's just see. Oh, yeah, actually denoise is not that bad. All right, I will go with denoise, and of course we have sharpen. Let's see what sharpen will bring in. If we go now, nah, I don't like sharpen. And then we have the remove shadows. Of course, you'll have to have an object with shadows. remove reflection, fix moire, fix blur, like things that are not there. And of course there are some things that are specifically meant to be applied to faces. This is gonna be my second test object. Well, you guessed it right. Well, this is a black and white picture, so I'm gonna click Colorize, and let's just allow ourselves to be surprised by the AI. Now, did the AI do a good job? Well, no, not really. This here is a classic black and white picture. And the moment I go here and I click on Colorize, well, this feature only works with black and white images, but this is a pure black and white image. Let me load another one. This is indeed another one, so I'm gonna click Colorize, and this time, well, yeah. Wow, okay, impressive. This is the real output. Okay, now I'm really amazed, and I do believe that this is good. In the previous version, by the way, I was also getting the message that this is not a black and white picture, so let me load another one. And another one is here, so I'm gonna click on this here, and yeah. So sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't work. We'll start from scratch. This is the picture, guys. I'm gonna click Colorize. We're just going to have these nice and vibrant colors. I really like them, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Press done. I'm gonna click now on the magic button to just see what the magic will do. Probably just put some more vibrancy. Yeah, before and after, honestly, yeah, not impressive. But I will click now on the increased resolution, and I'll go then do it 4 times. So now with the use of AI, I should be getting really same picture, but with an increased resolution. This is the picture in my gallery, and indeed, guys, you can just see it is 7 megapixel. This is the resolution, and it's almost 4 megabytes. So the original picture was for sure less. Now let's check what the HDR will do. I, by the way, now reloaded the colorized picture because it always applies it on the original one. This is just the colorized version. This is with the HDR enhanced. I'm gonna pump it up to 4. Wow, even more dramatic. I love drama. I'm gonna click now done, guys, and just go and see what else I can do. So I can apparently also denoise. Let's just try some denoise here. Yep. And also sharpen. So if you're a fan of sharpen for this specific picture, you can probably do that. And actually it does work, like it even pushes it up a bit. So I'm gonna save this again as well. And I am now gonna load some faces. That's me, right? Let's press the magic. Let's just see what I'm gonna get by, yeah, Photocall is great. Oh, this is really cool. This is shot with the front camera. You see, I like this. Like, this is Samsung just tapping themselves on the back saying, hey guys, we did a good job. The Photocall is great, right? You don't need to do anything else. Now I can apparently go and restore. So isolating pictures, not sure what happens, apparently nothing there. But guys, remove shadows. So do we have any shadows? Now I just see some shadow here on the t-shirt. Will this AI be able to remove them? Just check. Open Langer effect. Oh, wow. This is crazy. This is good. Yeah, I think I can work with this. See here, guys. Original with shadows. Boom. No shadows. Okay. Honestly, this is really impressive. And we have some more things to do. So if I now go to the portrait, you can just see I can create a portrait photo, isolating the faces in the image, right? See how nice the effects are. And you can also go and of course pump up the bokeh effect. Just wow, stunning, right? Studio, then we have high key mono, then we have also the low key mono, and this and the backdrop and the color point. So this looks quite nice, by the way. I will go with this. Then we have face. Now these things, guys, they resemble a bit on what the Chinese OEMs are doing with the faces. So apparently you can go and smooth out your face, which is not something that I usually do. And check now on the cheeks. If I go to 8, boom, filter is applied. That's not really my thing. Now let's just go and edit tone. What about tone? Okay, I can go being darker and lighter. Let's just go with a darker. Okay, get some suntan here. And then you have also the option to play with your eyes. Apparently you can make your eyes bigger. Now, not in my case because I kind of blinked, but you get the point. And then also jawline. Let's see what happens with the jawline. It really makes me very slim. You see, boom. Fat boy slim. Yeah, you get the point. So this is the option from the portrait. And guys, I want to show you also the 24-hour time-lapse in the sky guide. So I'm going to load some other samples. All right, another one of my picks. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click 24 time-lapse. Yeah, apparently we need more sky. Like, okay, we have enough sky here. This doesn't work. Let me try another one. All right, guys, this works. Don't ask me why, right? Apparently the AI thinks there is enough sky here. And now, yeah, let me show you. 24 hours time-lapse. Now, to set your expectations, it's not great. It's gonna look like those guys are doing this on Mars. But you know what? Also gonna play some music. So, yeah. See, with the music, not so bad, right? If you want to kind of spice up your photos, well, yeah, this is kind of the time lapse. It's not perfect, it's not ideal, but I think it's a nice trick. And now I've loaded a video I shot to check what the Galaxy Enhance X AI can do with the video. So we have three options: the single take, the long exposure, and the slow-mo. Let me just try to now do the single take, because for the single take you have to limit the video length a bit. So I'm gonna do the single take now and see what happens. Okay, so you're getting apparently these shots. Oh, you're getting a boomerang clip. That's nice. A filtered picture. I like the filter, by the way, it's good. All right, another filtered picture, and then you get a crop shot. And then you get also a highlight video. Oh, with some nice music. Well, this is nice. This is nice indeed. Another try for the long exposure will get you something like this. So it's not perfect all the time, and you have to just use some specific videos to get a better effect. And of course, we have the slow-mo. Now remember, the slow-mo came as an AI option for the S24 series. So every video that you're able to take on 60 FPS, you will eventually be able to convert it to 120 FPS and just slow it down a bit. Now let's just see if this is going to be the same effect. And this is the end result, and indeed the video is slowed down. So yeah, I'm even throwing sound here. You can see the centering, and overall very aesthetic, by the way. So I would say that this feature also works. So the slow motion one and the single take are okay, but the long exposure, yeah, for this you have to choose some specific videos. But overall, I do believe that with colorizing and also specifically with removing the shadows from my t-shirt, that the Galaxy X Enhance is really a very impressive app. And what will be also very impressive is if you decide to sub for my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. VST over and bye.